Hey there, Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Today, I'm on a 2019 Azimut S6. Starting with the profile of this boat, the S-line is really all about performance, and you're going to see that all throughout the boat as I walk you through it today. As we get onto the swim platform, you're going to see a nice teak finish all the way throughout. Hydraulic swim platform that does deploy down into the water, gives you access to your tender garage that does lift up. Cockpit is an absolutely great space to be. Large roof that covers all the way back, big sun pad behind that. A lot of nice features in here as well. There is a joystick docking space, so you can dock the boat from back here where you have that great visibility. Nice fold-out table. As you can see, the table is actually made from carbon fiber. A theme you're going to see all throughout this boat. Going back to the roots of what the S-line is, really being about performance. Nothing says performance on a boat more than carbon fiber. So as you do a lot of entertaining on your Azimut S6, which is really one of the main things this boat is designed for, you're going to see a nice sink, grill, ice maker, and a place for the garbage. Opposite that, we do have a refrigerator drawer as well. All of this in the outside cockpit space. As we walk through the big sliding doors into the main salon, you'll see a nice U-shaped seating, high-low table, another table opposite of that. So as you look over the galley, the first thing you're going to notice is all the extra light that comes in. Absolutely great place to be with a view to die for. And of course you have a refrigerator and a freezer drawer, a Miele microwave, 4-burner convection cooktop, and some extra cabinetry and storage all throughout. Moving towards the helm, you'll see we have full Raymarine electronics, autopilot included. The power on here is triple Volvo IPS 700s. Again, going right back to that S heritage is really all about performance. As we work our way from the main helm area down to the staterooms, the first thing you're going to notice is access to the dayhead. The dayhead also has a separate entrance to the VIP stateroom, and again has that separate shower stall to really keep everything compartmentalized and easy to actually use. VIP stateroom, again, lots of headroom, lots of light from either side, opening port lights, similar to what you have in the master. You do have a nice queen walk-around island style bed, again, easy to enter or exit from either side. You're going to have hanging storage lockers on either side, television built into the wall with a nice Bose soundbar. Inside the full beam master stateroom, you're going to see all sorts of light, opening portholes on both sides, full queen size island bed, so really easy access, easy to walk around, especially at this 45-degree angle. Really maximizes the amount of space you have. You're going to have a large closet with drawers on the back side. Seating area, whether you want to use that for an office throughout the day or a great place to grab a cup of coffee in the morning. So of course, with this being the master stateroom, we're going to have the washer dryer tucked in here, as well as access to the master head. Master head has a full separate shower stall, sink, and a nice vacuum flush toilet. So the third stateroom, really not a bad place to be either for being a third stateroom on a 60-foot boat. You have the separate bunks, large hanging locker, still going to have a nice television, lots of light with an opening port light. Two-tiered bow seating. You have a nice forward-facing bench and an absolutely enormous sun pad. Hanging out here on the hook, watching the sunrise, sunset, this is definitely the place I would want to be. 2019 Azimut S6. Sporty performance, Italian design, definitely going to stand out on the water. This is Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Give us a phone call, stop on in, we'd love to get you on a sea trial. If you want more information about all of our different boats, please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you name it, we're there.